On July 4, 2025, a Florida man marked his 57th birthday by doing meth, stealing Conch Train, and picking up riders.
Wait, don't take those. You can't confiscate those from me. They're mine. I plead the fifth.
Well, just like you can't take a tour train, so.
I plead the fifth. Oh, this is my birthday present. Oh, I'm not going to be dancing with the Cajun mistress. Hello, sirs. How are you?
Yeah,
Worst
same.
description ever.
Yeah, same.
Camo thing.
I walked right by him too. Drove right by him.
Chilling over here. I was
Yep.
like, hey,
Oh,
you're the guy I'm looking for.
I've got
I
nothing
looked
to
at
hide
him and I
from.
was like, but it doesn't, yeah.
Tori, how are you doing on the pedophiles in town? Are we keeping them out? Tar and feathering? Thank you. Thank you. What about the Ubers?
70, I'm not with the other units.
What about the bankers? I hear it's lawful to harvest futures these days.
It is.
Good. Thank goodness. These are delicious. Captain Tony, these are the big ones you used to pull in? Big ones. Like 500-600 pounders. And I just realized, hey, I've got nothing on me, drugs or anything. Well, help me so.
Turn your head that way.
Okay, yes ma'am. I'll listen to you. I got my cigarettes and everything back for being unlawfully detained and
46.
arrested. I've got all my constitutional rights. Yeah. Do we still have a constitution? That's
46,
let's hope we
go
do.
ahead.
I pray we do. I plead the fifth. The first comes first for a reason, backed up by the second.
507.
Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Where are we at? United?
South.
Yeah.
I've got my surf trunks on. You have to. I do not permit you to do this. I did not give them authorization. Don't tase me, please.
Stand them up.
Take a deep breath. Relax. Nice day. It's a beautiful day. It's my birthday.
It's your birthday?
And my grandson's. He lives in Hero. He's gonna watch the dinosaur movie today. I hope. It's all about T-Rex.
Where do you live at?
I'm a Key Billy on Big Tours.
Okay.
Give me a second. Do you want? That's my time.
Take your time.
This is my time. This is my birthday. I love you guys. I knew you protect me, please. You guys are awfully hot wearing all that.
Got some bushes in your hair.
That's for the missus. The miss.
Who's the missus?
Well, she's a Cajun, Texas cowgirl. And she wrestles me in the water. It's real fun. I don't litter. Please don't litter.
We'll pick it up.
You're not littering. I am.
You touched my dick.
I'm not doing that. Just relax.
You touched my dick.
It's a baggie.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
What's that?
It's a baggie.
Take it easy.
Yeah, that's a cigarette baggie. Ow!
Easy, easy, easy.
Please.
Relax. Stand still.
Nice and easy.
You got shorts on underneath it?
Yes. Yes, I do. Surf trunks with a zipper pocket on the right.
Are you swimming today?
Not yet. I wish I was because I'm hot as a mofo. Oh, those are a little tight, bro. They're a little tight. I'm peaceful, dude. I come in peace.
Okay.
Right on. Cool. You got a deal. Got a deal. 100% all day long. Although hopefully we'll be out of here soon.
Get out of here pretty soon.
I'm a hippie, obviously.
Your winter chicken dinner.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, look, that looks like a...
That's me.
That's you.
That is Spirit of 76. We might have a tea party tonight. No.
Are we invited?
Sam Adams is. Who wrote Common Sense? Thomas Paine. You're definitely invited, Syracuse.
Thank you.
We don't have to dress up as Indians. We just are red-blooded men
27 going to 2.
and women. We got all the same blood, so you're my brother.
Could be your brother.
We're one human family. I do believe
Tom, 2
that.
Bravo 27.
True.
I know this might mean a lot to you, so we're not
Colorado
gonna use
DL
it.
when you're ready.
Oh, here's an easier way to take it off. Can I show you?
Go.
Okay, well done. As long as I get it back. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate how hot you guys must be in that.
Jonathan Patrick Winslow. Correct. He's got a Florida DL when I had that call.
That's hot. Are you guys hydrating? Like
We are, yes.
When I drove the Conch Train when my daughter was 4 or 5, I'd do
It's
extra
gonna be
gigs to pay the rent and stuff. And she would be my co-pilot for the Christmas tours and stuff. She'd be my bell ringer and tornado. We had fun. We still have fun. I got to visit my grandkids in Hilo for about a month, a lunar cycle and a half. Oh, I took my granddaughter horseback riding for her 7th birthday. She wants to be an ocean cowgirl.
Where'd you grow up?
I grew up in Petersburg. I had a real bad sense of direction, but my grandpa had money. It's a long story. I'm a Key-Billy since the 1970s. I've lived on and off here since the 1970s. So I got some history here, and I drove that train, which is the original Contour train. I did a good safety check. Well, I plead the fifth.
Hang on.
That's when I was driving, you know. I had to start on, do the safety check, make sure lights are working, make sure the tires are all filled up. Everybody was safe. Safety first, courtesy close second.
Okay, Jonathan.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so we'll put all your property in a bag.
Thank you.
Some things you don't need.
I do need it all, please.
But, well, some things you can't take, but we'll take whatever we can.
Are you taking me to jail?
I see you're an optimist.
Yeah, of course. I'm going to shove with fish. One of these days. And the hat was on my car, Lexus.
Oh, yo.
Thank you. Not Ed, he's the Mickey Mouse dude. I like Chris. He's more of a straight type of guy. Well, kind of true, right? Because he's trying to bring Disney World into Key West since the 70s. This ain't Disney World. It's kind of ruin up Disney World, maybe. Franco Harris.
Immaculate reception.
Yeah, exactly. I'm from Pittsburgh. Hey, this goes too. I'm sorry. I'm with Yeshua, by the way. I'm a humble servant. Who? Yeshua. Jesus. Oh, good.
We'll step them over there so I can pick this up.
Yes, sir. In reverse? Okay, right here. Can I get in the shade a little bit more, please? Thank you. I love you. Appreciate you. I wouldn't do anything to disrupt you.
Go ahead.
Big Alex is pulling up right now.
Taylor. No. I don't know anything. The more I know, the less I know. Stop. Probably take the hat. Oh, yeah, he was wearing that.
Good idea.
I've got nowhere to hide. I've got
Evidence.
I just want him to get on the radio.
Man, we got the cars up there. We got 1, 2, 6, 7,
Trash.
10 Indians.
You trash this? You got gloves on?
Taking care of the situation.
You're the chief.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead.
Maybe?
Oh, you got bags?
I have like a plastic bag with a dog treat in it.
Yeah, they are. Here. When you got grandchildren, it's a whole other story. That's why I told you about the hat, because I was like, well, don't throw that.
Can you hold up?
Good job on picking up all the stuff. Thank you, guys. You can pass the phone on to transport. I don't know. Am I doing the impersonation? Yes, sir. I couldn't get to speak because I don't know. My God. Cool. You'll understand.
All right. Trash.
I'm like 7 years raised.
So here, give me this. I'm gonna go return it back to where I got this. Go give it back.
So when I found that out, I'd rather walk barefoot if I'm there. Thank you.
Hey, your hat, right?
Yeah, you can put it on a belt loop or something.
Oh, yeah, I don't want you to lose your hat.
I gotta remember to shut up.
Maybe.
Maybe that would be a good idea.
All right, you good to go.
Am I incriminating myself?
For what?
No.
Car, you taking them out there, Jim? Whose car is that?
That one's mine.
I just went for a little walk.
Nothing else?
Are they doing a show? They
They
did it already.
They did it already?
Yep.
Thank you. I wish the best for you too. Well, you know, 4th of July drama. This is going to be in the
Somebody hold
crime
on, I'll bring my
report. Oh
car.
my God, in the crime report? That'll be hilarious. I will frame that one up.
My car's right here. Right here. I can bring him.
No, we're good. This way, sir.
We'll get them.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna go around the other side. Oops.
I'm good. Within reason. Within reason.
Sick. First, right?
Yes, sir. Courtesy for a second, and I do appreciate it. Ow!
There's a little invitation right there.
Jonathan Patrick Winslow is facing charges of burglary, grand theft auto, and possession of drug paraphernalia. When he was told he was facing charges, he excitedly claimed he merely borrowed the trolley, saying he used to work for the company and today is his birthday. Please leave your thoughts and comments below. Also, please like, subscribe, and check out these other videos.